In a busy lab, researchers demonstrate a self-repairing robotic arm that heals tiny wiring faults through a learning loop. The moment a fault is detected, the AI reroutes power and recalibrates joints while tactile sensors track strain. Experts note the system forecasts failure modes and reassigns tasks, reducing downtime much like medical diagnostics. A technician recalls a stubborn elbow joint solved when the AI adapted a gentler torque profile from earlier trials. Final results show stable precision within 2% during recovery, boosting confidence for remote factories and space missions.